Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous tutorial. Let's start for font weights and italics. Let me close that one and create another project file. Let me save and run server, font weight and italics. Let's create p tag with FW bold, lorem 4. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it is bold. Let me copy and paste a couple of more. Let's make it that one bolder, and then that one is normal, and then that one is light, and that one is lighter, and that one is italic, but we also need to change that one too, and then let FST for that one and normal. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, that is the difference. Let's have a look at line height. Let's put a HR here, and let me create a P and lorem 20, and I want to copy a couple of more, and I'll assign different height for each of them. Class LH1 and class LHSM and class LHBase and class LHLG. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, line height difference. I think you noticed that space between the line. That is the difference between line heights values. Let's have a look at it. A text decoration example. I want to add an a href tag. Lorem 3. Let's save it and have a look at it first. You see the link here guys. Let me add the class. Text decoration none. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, there is no underline. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.